everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Radake. So for today's video is another day here in Manila, and behind me is the LV Christmas tree. But before we got here, we ate like a donut with chicken and tuna inside. I'll just pop here clips before it. So ito yung mga clips na yun, guys. This is the chicken donut. And we got also here a tuna donut. It looks so delicious. This is from Kaale, handcrafted donuts here at BGC branch. So that was the clips. And yeah, we're right now here in Greenbelt. We're gonna be roaming around and then I'll just catch you guys later. Nagtatanong siya guys kung may pang-profile na ba daw siya dito sa LV. Look at the clock, the watch. Look, it's so cute, it's so big. At first, I really thought that this is just a board or how do you call that? How do you call the one that you use for the ceiling?
Galvanized iron?
No, it's
plywood?
Yeah, I thought this is just a plywood, guys.
Plywood.
But it is like a cement or something or very hard wood. It's so nice. Hindi siya like masisira pag mababasa sa ulan. So yeah, let's give you a little tour. Ta-da! There's a lot of LV stuff here that you can just take pictures wherever. Cute ng Hydro Flask, guys. So, meron palang ganitong sizes. Akala ko ganito lang, malalaki. Oh, this one is also cute, mom. Oh, look. It's so big lang. It's quite heavy.
It's nice for...
Para siyang for sports bra. I think this is also cute. It's 3-4. Ganda ng pants, guys. So, I love the print. I think it's a new one from Calvin Klein. Wait, I'll look for the price. Wow, this is like 10K, guys. But I think it's also cute. It's knitted. Dito si mama nagsisimba. Dito. Diyan. So, we're gonna get inside. Yeah, let's be quiet. We're now here at Greenbelt 3. Ang bango dito. I miss this place. I miss luxury and stuff. Chucks. Which one is your bet mo? I like the design, Jude. And it's not that expensive for a shirt na. Except for the pants. Nice, no? Yeah, nice. Yeah. This is cute. But this one is better because it is thick. And some jacket. So we're gonna be waiting for our Grab. We're gonna go to IKEA next because I want to try their Swedish meatballs shots. And yeah, nahirapan na yung Grab ngayon. Noon maraming Grab everywhere, but now hindi. Tapos traffic pa. But yeah, hopefully we will arrive soon and we're just waiting. Tell me also about your experiences if you are also feeling the same like me, like us. Mga ganyan, guys, oh. A croissant, may lumpia. Oh, may rice pala. Maybe we can get rice like that. Ito yung kinuha namin, guys, yung Swedish meatballs na 12 pieces. Tapos may mashed potato na siya. Tapos yung dessert, mukha siyang Toblerone. And mayroong rice, 25 pesos lang yan. At saka salmon. Ewan ko kung rice ba to. Parang hindi. Pero parang din siyang rice. So, let's eat. Oh, our drink is also refillable, guys. 50 pesos lang siya. Ito. Yan. So, refillable yan. Here in IKEA, guys, the cafe is in the 3rd floor where the cashiers are, and in the 4th floor is the restaurant. So, diretso ka na lang dito kung gusto mo mag dinner or lunch, or you just want to eat or have a merienda, code 1000 has been activated daw, and it means na parang may emergency or suno, yung mga ganun. So baka naman, fingers crossed, walang mangyayari, no? Pero baka maliit lang, slight, slight emergency. So if you get a QR code, you get a free coffee and a discount. And if you come here before 5, you also get a free soup. Just an idea. It's so good. Miss Trolley girl. Oh, sige, kunin mo na yan, mom. Ang bait ng mama ko. Iba talaga magkasama mo si mama. May compassion kasi ito guys eh. Pero hindi siya relate sa ginagawa niya. Pero ma-compassionate siya. Baliktad sa likod. Sa likod mo ipasok yung tray. Hindi, okay lang yan. Hindi, kasya rin. Sige, go. Yan, go mother. Yan. Wow, bravo. Magkano sweldo mo dyan, ma? Sige, ma, isoli mo na yan dyan. Eh, pa-slide mo lang. Pag ganyan ba? Pa-straight lang. Hindi mo yan ipapasok. Hindi, kunin mo yung tray. Tapos lagay mo yung tray doon. So, para siyang nasa airplane ka ba? Okay lang yan. Actually guys, tuturuan ko naman siya, pero nalingaw ako meron. Yan, ganyan. Yan, yan. O, diba? Kuha mo na. Sige, tulungan ko muna siya guys. I got the eye of the tiger. Yung kapatid mo, ma, nandyan sa itaas, oh. Tignan mo. Tada!
Nandito pala yung mga kapatid ko.
Mga kapatid mo yan. Look guys. So, ito yung living room mo. Wala, I step on the carpet. Ganda, cute naman siya. Yung dining, oh. Hala, I like the theme. Pwede siya pang beach, oh. Kung mga ganyan, naka-set up na. So, may idea ka na. Hala, ang cute ng mga mirrors. Mga chairs, guys, oh. Mga sofas. Tapos dito, more chairs. Dami, gusto ko to. Pero maganda yung customize. Magkano? 14K, 15 na yan. Tapos, meron nata siyang ganyan, no? Cute! Meron pa dito. Ang cute ng planning studio nila, guys. Oh, para siyang nasa hardware ka na. Meron pang mga ganyan, no? Pili ka kung anong tiles na gusto mo. Ganyan. Diba? Tapos, meron pa silang parang office din dyan, ang mga classic-classic doors. So, diba? Parang nasa hardware ka lang din. Ang cute pagka-design, guys. So, yan. So colorful. This is like the haven part. Haven. Yun, 60, 40. Tsaka yung mga plates, guys, 60 lang din. Yan, 40. Ito rin siya, guys. Oh, 40 lang siya. Yan. Frying panaset, guys, 590 lang. Parang okay din siya. Is it non-stick? Because we need that. Dami dito. I think good deal na to, guys. Shoebox, guys, or parang siyang box of para anything. Ay, hindi naman siya specifically for shoebox. Pero parang gano'n na nga. Ay, hindi kasha yung isang shoes dito. Pero maganda siya pang storage lang. Kasi transparent tsaka white. At least aesthetic, diba? Ang cute din ito, guys. Oh. Kasi you just have to stick it at the back of your laptop if you have like meetings and something like any virtual thing. How much? $490 lang pala. What I noticed here in IKEA, guys, is that once you get in one floor, there's like no going out anymore because it's like a maze. Like the Squid Game, when you get inside, tapos ikot-ikot ka na. You just have to follow the lines or the arrows so you get out. Dito pala yung kinukuha mo yung mga stocks or kung anong gusto mo tapos hahanapin mo by rack. So, medyo lisod siya, guys. Medyo mahirap pag ikaw lang mag-isa kasi nakakalula sa dami eh. But you just have to really look for it and have patience. Wala plang plastic, guys, kasi we will wrap it on our own. Nashock si mama. Bait na mama, nag-grab po. So, we say lagom. Lagom means dark in dialect. Not too much, not too little. In case only take what you need. Ah, for the wrapper.
Oh my God, dili na pagkakas lang.
Sorry, parang nagbabalot ng gift ah. So, happy ka pa sa na-purchase mo. Isa lang guys, kasi mabigat to. Wala kaming check-in luggage. So, pinaka
Importante.
important and madaling bilhin. Yung dalhin mo pala, pero mabigat na to ha. Parang 1 kilograms na ata yan, no? So, we're going now here sa MOA. Let's roam around. Oh my gosh, I miss the mall. I miss OMG, I saw those refs in Switzerland, like for 999 Swiss francs. And wow, it's so aesthetic. Guys, if you want this, dito lang sa MOA. Paglabas mo talaga sa IKEA. This ones too guys is on sale, 50%. Magkano na lang? 690. Bet ko to. Ito na sa likod, 790 na lang yan. Malaki din yan, oh. I think I'm gonna get this. I'll think about it. Ang cute ng color palette from Parisian. 999 siya. Pwede na rin. Parang Jordan guys, oh. 999 pesos lang for women's. Cute nito, oh. At saka ito, high cut na or mid cut. Nandito yung shoes ko guys, oh. Pero iba't ibang kulay lang. Maganda tong orange. Wait, na-shock ako. 1K plus lang. 1199. Tulad na katulad, oh, yung sole. Wait, I'm covering using my hand. These ones guys are like 999. So yung parang likod niya. Maganda. Which one is your bet? Comment down below. Ang daming mga chocolate boxes dito guys. Oh, perfect for Christmas talaga kasi may to or from. I wonder how much this is. Meron pa iba dyan. Ito din guys. Oh, cute din siya. Parang pang Christmas talaga. Pero I think maliliit lang yung nasa loob. Pero mura na. Bigyan ka lang ng mga ganito guys. Oh. Tapos 149 lang. Matatouch ka na. Oh. Diba? Ang thoughtful. Meron pa dyan. Oh, trolley. Oh. Yung mga hilig sa mga ganyan. Ito, oh, may to and from na rin. Ito. Okay na rin to. Oh, 69 lang. Baka maliit lang to. Malaki na. Tapos 225 lang. Masarap kaya to. Meron pang iba, oh. Ito na lang, no? Pang-regalo. Perfect na siya. Tsaka yan, oh, cookies. Daming chocolates. Parang nasa duty free lang, ah. Dami, oh, grabe, dami. Yung tower ng Ferrero, parang Christmas tree. We're now here in our favorite part of SM department store, guys. Dito, nasa pinakamababa to kasi puro mumurahin dito, guys. And maganda na yung quality. At saka naka-aircon ka pa, di ba? So, pili-pili muna kami. Mga mura lang, guys, oh. 199 tsaka 299. Tapos, malaki sizes sa iba, tag 700 na yan. Baka kasya ni mama. Such a cute canvas tote bag. Maganda din yan, oh. I think we can paint on that. Smells good out here, guys. And look at my mom. Char, feel na feel. Ang pagrampa. Ganda talaga mag-picture dito, guys, oh. Kasi Christmas to Christmas. We're back again here with all these lights. But I think this is always here.
Yeah,
What do you think?
Here.
So, let's go first to the mall. Let's get inside. So, we're now here inside the mall. And I really love SM. Dami kasi mabibili dito, guys, na medyo mura. Char, yung turista, oh, lagi nagwi-wave-wave.
Subscribe.
What?
Share and subscribe to Roda Kids channel.
So, lakad-lakad muna kami pa ng mall, in fairness. Ang cute ng leather dress, guys, oh, from F21. Such a cute denim bag. It's $995. With zipper na siya sa gitna. OOTD of the day. Everything is from Shein. Diba? Para lang din sa Zara yung mga damit ko. Naka-blend ako sa likod. What are you drinking, Mom? What's that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah, banana.
Okay. We're back here and again, our favorite place, MOA. Let's get inside. Char. Let's get inside. Kanina kami sa loob. Punta na kami dun sa dagat. We're going to the beach. Char. We're going to the sea area. Sea area. Yes, Mom. It's there. Ganda pala dito, guys. Ganda dito, guys. So, mag-chill-chill lang. Yan, yung Ferris wheel, yung dagat, o, diba? Mga love locks, guys. O, meron din pala dito. Kaso parang rusty na siya. Tinaya ata, oh. Mga nagsumpaan sa kanilang love. Charot. Boat ride! 200 per head daw, guys. Ganda naman.
100% niya.
Iba ata yung sa bata, yung presyo. Pero maganda, oh. You're gonna pass by like Okada, ganyan. AM pala sila nagsisira yung mga stalls dito. Yung restaurants, medyo maaga sila, like 10 PM. Transfer kami dito sa gitna, guys. Inom muna ako ng frutas, fresh juice. Meron lang din nagtitinda dito sa harap. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Diyan siya, guys. O, diyan. Sarap lang ito. Parang big lawn. Charot. Pwede kayo magtambay dito, mag-picnic-picnic. Bet nyo ba yan i-try, guys? Kasi ako hindi talaga. Tuwang-tuwa ako sa kanila. We're buying it here at Winvin Kiosk, the mula and ensaymada, 480 for the assorted and 380 for the cheese per box. That arroz caldo here from Lola Babes is actually at the depart in the airport sa domestic. So yeah, let's eat.
And it's a pleasure to have this flight, Sun Express and Philippine Airlines flight to be in PR 2541, request C20, service bound for to Magallanes.
Estimated flying time is 1 hour and 15 minutes, and we will be cruising at an altitude of 33,000 feet.